Hello, entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a journey to transform your business through the dynamic realm of social media. I am Dazonn Technologies, and this is how to market your business on social media. In a world driven by digital connections, your business's presence on social media can make or break its success. We've crafted this guide to ensure you not only navigate but thrive in this ever-evolving landscape. Section 1. Why social media matters. First things first, why does social media matter for your business? Well, the numbers speak for themselves. With billions of users across various platforms, it's a gold mine for potential customers. Building a strong online presence can exponentially boost your brand's visibility. Section 2. Choosing the right platforms. But with so many platforms available, where should you focus your efforts? In this section, we'll guide you through choosing the right platforms for your business. From Facebook to Instagram, LinkedIn to Twitter, each has its strengths. Let's find your perfect match. Section 3. Crafting compelling content. Content is king, they say, and it couldn't be truer on social media. We'll explore the art of crafting compelling content that not only grabs attention but keeps your audience coming back for more. Get ready to turn your ideas into scroll-stopping posts. Section 4. Building a community. Social media is not just about posting content, it's about building a community. We'll share strategies to engage with your audience, create a loyal following, and turn your customers into brand ambassadors. Community is where the real magic happens. Section 5. Analyzing and adapting. Numbers don't lie. In this section, we'll dive into analytics. Understanding the data behind your social media efforts is crucial. We'll show you how to analyze performance, identify trends, and adapt your strategy for continuous improvement. And there you have it, the keys to unlock success in marketing your business on social media. Remember, it's not just about being present, it's about being impactful. If you like our video, please like the video, share this video to our friends and subscribe our channel. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or I am Dazonn Technologies, signing off. Go out there and conquer the social media world. Thanks for watching.